Welcome to Part 10 of the Checkout System Demonstration Series. In Part 9, we identified the components in our system. The next step is to allocate or relate our components to the functions that they perform. In the Vitech schema, a component performs a function. We can make our allocation right in this diagram as we have made other relationships. We'll select the All Entities tab in the diagram palette, then select the function class. As we look at this list of functions, we can see right away that as we created each of the components, Core created a function labeled _performs, the component name, function. These are automatically allocated to the component detailed in the name of the function. We will allocate the functions we had previously created to our components by dragging each function from the list in the diagram palette to the applicable block in the component hierarchy diagram. Drag Ascertain Prices onto the diagram and drop it on the barcode scanner. Core suggests that this function is allocated to the component. We'll confirm that and complete the relationship. Note that if Core detects an existing allocation, a dialog box appears asking us what we want to do with the existing allocation. We will choose to replace the allocation in favor of the link to our previously created functions. Now, pause the video and complete the rest of the allocations using the table on screen as your guide. Let's take a look at what we've designed. Select the requirement class in the project pane. Then select the Checkout Customers element. This diagram is going to be a little big, so we'll want to open it in a new window. At the top of the screen, click on the hierarchy diagram icon. Change the drop-down to Traceability, and then click OK. This opens a traceability hierarchy diagram in a second window. By default, it displays 3 levels of our work. If we click on the menu button just above the diagram, we open the Diagram Options dialog. Here, we can set the number of levels displayed. Instead of the default value of 3, we will insert a 7. We now see the requirements decomposed, becoming the basis of behaviors, which in turn are allocated to components. For example, we can begin at the top with Checkout Customers. Following a single branch, we see it is refined by Accept Payment, which is in turn refined by Confirm Credit Card, which becomes the basis of Confirm Credit Card, which is allocated to our credit card reader. Our requirements are traceable down into the functions and through them into the components. As we can see, all this traceability is easily maintained by Core, which even offers helpful tips and suggestions to keep us on track along the way. You'll also notice that this view doesn't look complete. Although we've done quite a bit of work, the real work is just beginning. We can now use any of Core's many diagram views to examine our work and to help us identify where we've missed something. We won't get into that in this series. To take the next step in learning our Strata methodology, we suggest reading our primer for model-based systems engineering. You can find a digital copy under the Help menu in Core, or you can order a physical copy from Amazon.com. Vitech also offers 1, 2, and 4-day training classes, as well as engineering consulting to help you get started. To find out more or to schedule a class, email us at info@vitechcorp.com. This concludes the Checkout System Demonstration Series. This is a good time to save your work. If you have any questions about using Core or the Checkout System Demonstration Series, please contact our support team by emailing support@vitechcorp.com.